a surprise! A cute puppy! Woof, woof! Wag your tail! Happy friends on every trail! Hop, hop, hop! Around! Colorful eggs are all around. Laugh together, sing with glee. Happy Easter fun for me! Here's a shiny blue egg round, resting softly on the ground. Crack it open, what a treat! A little bird says, tweet, tweet, tweet! Flake your wings up to the sky. Wave hello as you fly by. Hop, 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 and play. Let's find eggs all through the day. Colorful surprises everywhere. Happy smiles we love to share. Here's a bright green Easter egg, hidden near a little hedge. Open it with joyful cheer. A bunny rabbit hops right here. Hop, hop, don't be late. Carrots make a yummy plate. Hop together, 1, 2, 3. Happy Easter family. Sing and dance beneath the sun. Learning colors is such fun. Here's a lovely purple egg, covered with shiny dots and zigzags. Open it, let's all cheer. A baby unicorn appears. Sparkly mane and rainbow tail. Magic smiles will never fail. Magic eggs and colors bright fill our hearts with pure delight. Dance and sing so joyfully, happy as can be. Here's an orange Easter egg, round and shiny, smooth and big. Crack it open, look inside. A friendly kitten wants to ride. Meow, meow, purr all day. Come and laugh and play. Hop and clap and count to 10. Let's go find more eggs again. Bright surprises everywhere. Smiles and laughter we can share. Here's a rainbow Easter egg, the brightest one we've ever seen. Open it with happy cheer. All our Easter friends appear. Puppy, bunny, bird and duck, kitten, unicorn, what good luck! They dance together, one by one, celebrating Easter fun. Easter eggs, hop, 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 never, never want to stop. Sing together, laugh and play. Happy Easter every day. Colorful eggs and friends so sweet, dancing with happy little feet. We'll sing this song again today. Hip, hip, hooray!